Hi, today I'm fixing Xiaomi 13 Lite and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see notifications section, just tap on it. Here you'll see ringtone section and you can select, for example, the one from the online notification sounds, so you can just select them, or to switch ringtones to profile, tap to ringtones and select one from the default notification sound. After that, just go if you wanna just use them, don't forget to click to apply. For example, let's use this bubble one. Select this tone, tap to OK. Now we can see that it's applied successfully, so let's go back and we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Xiaomi device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.